We are deciding that we're going to be starting on some of our summer project. So today we're going to get it kicked off with one of our all-time favorite type of activity.
Jam from family, the Jam from family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself a day, yada abroad. Welcome back to another video, Jam from Tribe.
So we've had quite a little bit of rest over the summer holidays so far, sorting out our crisis or chaos that we had of Hurricane Beryl and just resting. And now we've managed to do that, so we are deciding that we're going to be starting on some of our summer project. So today we're going to get it kicked off with one of our all-time favorite type of activity. So do you want to say what the activity is?
It's like an investigative activity. So we have this note here. It's called, the game is called Investigators. So it says, on this mission, you will need to decipher the clues to direct you on a trail to finding the grand prize. The excitement is in the skills you develop and how it molds your character and pushes your tenacity and perseverance. Good luck, you'll need it. There's clue 1 for you.
So here we go. So of course, boredom is not a word that we're allowed to use flippantly in our household. So we have to figure out ways to entertain ourselves and to get activities that we want to do. So we like this type of activity, so that's why this is one that we're going to do. We found, well, not we, but Eliona found some clues on Pinterest. And then what?
Oh, I found some clues on Pinterest and then I modified them. So obviously we're not like you stealing their thing and not like giving them credit. I just like modified them and then some of the clues I wrote myself. So yeah.
Okay, so we have those clues and we're going to get started. So normally I would set the clues up and the people who are doing the investigators will go around and find them and then we have the prize. But of course we don't have anybody to set them up today, so we're both going to play the game, and so we split the clues up in a way that we feel would work, and then we're going to put them where they need to be and then go off and find, and we give ownership to the other person to figure out what they think the solutions. So, of course, the person who is going to be hiding the clues get ownership of deciding what the solution is, because the clue is, of course, one that can be interpreted in different ways. And so this is the statement that we both get to read. And, of course, we get clue 1 with it. And that's clue 1.
Should I read it?
You can.
Okay.
And then, of course, we're going to discreetly hide our clues in the places that we think they belong, and then make sure the other person doesn't know. That way it means that we don't know what each other's clues are, so it will be an honest play as we go through it.
Okay, so clue 1, you'll lay your head here when you're about to count sheep. It often gets fluffed before you go to sleep.
So we've got to think what that is. So clue 2 is Eliona's delay. So she's got to decide where that's going to go. And I've got to be able to figure out once we go. We will see who wins and what the end result will be. So we'll see what that is, because I don't know what it is, because that's not my clue. So we'll see how it works out. Why are you laughing at me? So we've decided that we're going to take turns. So I'm going to find the clues that Eliona hide, and Eliona is going to find the clues that I hide. And then that way, when we come to the end, we'll be able to see. So what we're going to do is the time to see who take the longer to find their sets of clues to help as part of deciding how much of the end result reward we get. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Yes, I guess.
Okay. So yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready for this.
Do you want a reminder of clue 1?
Oh, so clue 1 is on the table, where
Okay,
they
I'll remind you.
So this is our instruction. And do you want to read clue 1?
Clue 1 is you'll lay your head here when you're about to count sheep. It often gets fluffed before you go to sleep.
Okay, so that means I need to go and figure out where clue 2 is from that clue. So
And then I have to read clue 2 and then figure out where clue 3 is, and so on.
yeah, you're going to have to read the clue 2 and figure out where clue 3 is.
I did not read those clues. I just put it somewhere.
Yeah, so there we go.
So it took my mom 3 minutes and 35 seconds to find clue 2, thanks to my decoys.
Oh, that was some work. And she'd keep trying to trick me.
No, you just believed me, and you shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Well, this is the clue now I have to look for. Clue 2 is a clue to find where you keep things cool or cold. Where to go next is what you'll be told.
So you have to figure out where to
I'm
go.
finding this.
And I'll put the timer on. So it took Eliona
0 minutes and 0 seconds.
4 minutes,
0 minutes and 0 seconds.
53 seconds, and 62 milliseconds to find that clue. And this is what the clue says. It says soap and water, but it doesn't clean hands. Used with Persil, Ariel, and many other brands. So I know.
I wish I moved the
this.
position of this because now I had another idea.
Okay.
Can I rehide it?
No, I don't think so. I'm going to go look where I think it is.
Okay. So my mom went to 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
That's my accumulated time so far.
So clue 4 says, find the clue. You'll have to think. You'll use one of these if you need a drink.
Okay, so you're ready to go find? Wow, she went like speeded, find that one in less than, it's about 3 to 4 seconds it took you to find
It was
one.
underneath one of the cups.
I should have, I thought to hide it first because I was going to put it all the way at the back one and then it would have taken a little bit longer, but it's fair as the game, you found it. So it's, this clue says, where you watch films, cartoons and episodes too, check behind me for the clue I left you. This one's going to be tricky because my first impression is TV and I'm pretty sure that's not what you tend to watch a lot of your series on or films and stuff, so let's.
My mom actually ran with another job where I hit it, but it took her 10 seconds.
Yeah.
So her time is now 4 minutes and 54 seconds.
I think age and speed is going to make a difference.
Well, now it's my turn to find. Clue 6 says, turn up the heat. It will help you bake cookies, casseroles, and even a cake. I know where this is. There is no saying either. I know.
Okay, so you're ready to go find
Yep.
it? Okay, let's go. So at the moment, Eliona is at 5 minutes and 3 seconds because she sped to get that one just now. So this clue that I now need to go and find, it says a metal box with numbers is usually the norm for this thing that helps us keep our food warm.
You think you know?
I'm hoping.
It could be many different things. It could even be like the oven.
It could be the toaster, it could be the oven, it could be the microwave.
Could even be the air fryer.
That's true. I'm not going to let you throw me off this time. I'm going to go straight to the one I think you use most, or should I go to the one I use most?
Well, your choice.
Go.
Let's
Okay,
go.
I'm going to go.
So, I'm the lead because my mom has 5 minutes and 8 seconds to find the clue. She raced to the microwave, but I was one step ahead of her and I tried to put the timer on first. So, yeah, it's my turn to find again. So, clue 8 is you'll find a clue with tools used to eat. Hurry now, your hunt is almost complete.
Ready?
Yep.
Steady?
Yep.
Time. At the moment, I've taken longer so far, not true, because I think you're at 5:06.
Yeah, and you're at 5:08.
And so the clue says a place where, but I have to say this though, when I just saw Eliona find that clue just now, I was like, she just lift up the utensil
Storage tray.
storage tray. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. That was so quick. Anyways, a place where water falls down like rain. After it falls on you, it goes down the drain. I think I know where this is, and it better be there because if not,
Okay.
but it's which one of them it might be in. Could it be in mine? Could it be in yours? Or could it be in the other one?
What do you mean?
I knew based on time I'd already lost even before I started my last clue, but I was very convinced that the clue would be in one of the bathrooms, or more specifically the shower, or somewhere in there. Then I expect to see a clue at my finding. And not at all. And it took me so long. I literally had to go to all the places where water was. I did not find this clue until I washed up the breakfast plate. When I was washing it, I saw the clue. Where in the fuck you like rain? But I guess it's Eliona's interpretation.
Well, because when I have an umbrella, the water bounces off the umbrella on my hands.
I get that.
Like how the sink water can wash my hand.
And I get that. So the clue says, back where you started is where your prize is. Hurry now before your time takes a whiz.
Didn't your time start here?
But clue 1 was here.
So maybe it's here.
So I figured from the clue, which is back where you started is where your prize is. Hurry now before your time takes a whiz. And I think that time is going round and round, and it eventually get back where it started. And take a whiz just say that the time is moving. So I figured that it was something to do with our clock, with one of the clocks. So I went to look at the clock, and I found this pointing down behind the clock, pointing down. And then when I looked in behind what it was pointing down at, I found this briefcase. And so
what's the
I'm
prize?
going to see what's in there. Oh my god, is this your what am name? The miniature sitting accessories? What are they called?
LOL.
Your LOL accessory thing. So we've got chocolate. So that's our prize?
Yeah, and the prize is that we got to spend some time.
That was fun. We had a lot of laughter packed.
Even though we had a lot of frustration too.
Oh my god, that last one.
And I was
this
annoyed
last
with the
clue.
fridge one, the thing about cold, because I was like, where is it?
The one
And it was
about
hidden somewhere in a crevice.
Okay.
And you were annoyed with the fact that it wasn't in a shower.
What's your high point about it?
Spending time?
I think so too. For me, that was the high point because we got to spend quite a lot of good times and laughter in between. So what was your low point?
The fridge. The fridge question.
Is that because it took long or what? What was it?
Yes, because I was like, I looked everywhere. I even took out the ladder and looked on the top. And it was on the top. I just didn't see it.
Okay. And mine was the one about the shower. Well, I assumed it was the shower. The one that says about rain falling on you like a shower and going down the drain. And so that was mine. That was difficult. So the biggest prize was our time that we got to spend together and solving this puzzle as a team. So
Found it.
we did. Yep. So are we going to treat ourselves to some chocolate? Okay. And then I need to go walk to the bin stores.
Bye for now.
So we've got another set of contribution or ground provision delivery again. So just going to show you what was in there this time. So normally what we get is what's available because that's how it works. And here we go for this one. So this one is a friend of mine who came by to visit yesterday and brought these. So this is what we got. Some pears or avocado, some plantings that I'm going to let ripe, some bananas. Some of them are ready to ripe. I've eaten some off of it already, and I'm going to use some to make some banana porridge as well. And we've got some sweet potatoes. Those are so huge. And we had some jelly. So I've already had one of the avocado, the pear, yesterday with my dinner. And I've already had 2 of the jellies that came and I've got this one that I'm going to have another day in the week. So again, just want to say thank you, and just give you an indication of the fact that you can source things even if you don't grow them, if you have the right set of people around you.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye for now. See you in the next one.